What's up, YouTube? How's it going? I'm back again for another random video. So I picked this up at Walmart today for $80. It's Trail Buster. It's a new, bright, nice RC car. And I will be opening this up. Move some of this crap here. 80 Canadian. Let's see if it's really worth the money. Holy. How am I supposed to? I don't have a knife on me. Okay. There's lots to choose from. This is one of the more expensive ones. Wow, that looks nice. You getting that, Alex? Don't block the camera, buddy. Getting that for the viewers? So it comes with a 9.6 volt lithium ion charger. Nice controller. And the car is like on this weird styrofoam hill. Gonna unscrew it. Of course, they make kids' toys like impossible to steal. Why would you? Wow. Here's the charger. Neat, just like my son's other toy. Comes with 2 batteries. Some no-name crap. Wow. The mess that styrofoam makes, man. Oh, so close. Yeah, I got the one out. Wow. What a pain in the butt. That is very messy. Where the heck is the battery?
On the table.
That's the battery charger. Oh, here's the battery. We're gonna find out. Watch the phone, Alex. Make sure you're getting me. People can see. 2.4 gigahertz. It's a nice little rock climber. I had one of these before at Costco. My son wants to play. No lights on this. So. Oh. What a freaking pain. Real world, this is the mess you get. On a Sunday morning. Just to get the toy dirty. Basically the same toy you have. Really didn't change it too much.
Mm-hmm.
Turn it on. Duh. Wow. That's quick. Holy shit. So it's pretty good. It goes fairly quick. Definitely worth the $80. Put it at the top of the stairs, buddy. Let's go down one more time and show the people. Watch this thing. It's crazy. Okay, watch out. Like, wow. There you have it, YouTube. Go pick up this toy. It's definitely worth the money. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random videos as I try to upload not so often. And I'm going to go bud with my son and his toy. Talk to you real soon. Bye for now.